Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Chapter 12. Maitreya Uvacha Iti Te Varnita Kshaktah Kala Kala Kyah Paramatmanah Mahima Vedagarbhotha Yatasrakshin Nibodhame. Sri Maitreya said, O learned Vidura, so far I have explained to you the glories of the form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead in his feature of Kala. Now you can hear from me about the creation of Brahma, the reservoir of all Vedic knowledge. Sasarjagrondhata misram atata misramadikrit mahamoham cha tamascha jnanavruttayah. Brahma first created the nascent engagements like self-deception, the sense of death, anger after frustration, the sense of false ownership, and illusory bodily conception or forgetfulness of one's real identity. Drushtva papiyasīm srishtim anatmanam brahma manyata bhagavad dhyanaputena manasanyam tato srujat. Seeing such a misleading creation as a sinful task, Brahma did not feel much pleasure in his activity, and therefore he purified himself by meditation on the personality of Godhead. Then he began another term of creation. Sanakam cha sanandam cha sanata namatatma bhuhu Sanat Kumaram cha Munin Nishkriyanurdvaretasaha. In the beginning, Brahma created 4 great sages named Sanaka, Sananda, Sanatana, and Sanat Kumara. All of them were unwilling to adopt materialistic activities because they were highly elevated due to their semens flowing upwards. Tan babhashe swabhuf putran prajasrujata putrakaha tannaichan moksha dharmano vasudeva parayanaha. Brahma spoke to his sons after generating them. My dear sons, he said, now generate progeny. But due to their binding attachment to Vasudeva, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, they aimed at liberation and therefore they expressed their unwillingness. Sovadhyatas sutairevam pratyakyatanushasanaihi krodam durvishaham jatam niyantumupachakrameh. On the refusal of the sons to obey the order of their father, there was much anger generated in the mind of Brahma, which he tried to control and not express. Dhiya nigruhyamanopi bruvor madhyat prajapatehe sadhyo jayata tanmanyuhu kumaro neelalohitaha. Although he tried to curb his anger, it came out from between his eyebrows, and a child of mixed blue and red was immediately generated. Savairuroda devanam purvajo bhagavan bhavaha नामानि कुरु मे धातः स्थानानि च Jagadguru. After his birth, he began to cry, O destiny maker, teacher of the universe, kindly designate my name and place. Iti tasya vachah padmo Bhagavan paripalayan Abhyadhat bhadraya vacha Marodhistatkaromite. The all-powerful Brahma, who was born from the lotus flower, pacified the boy with gentle words, accepting his request, and said, Do not cry, I shall certainly do as you desire. Yadarodhi surasreshta sodvega iva balakaha tatastwamabhidhasyanti namna rudra iti prajaha. Therefore Brahma said, O chief of the demigods, you shall be called by the name Rudra by all people because you have so anxiously cried. Hrudindriyanya suvyoma vayuragnirjalam mahi Suryashchandrastapashchaiva sthananyagre krutani te. My dear boy, I have already selected the following places for your residence: the heart, the senses, the air of life, the sky, the air, the fire, the water, the earth, the sun, the moon, and austerity. Manyurmahinaso Mahan Shiva Rutadvajaha Ugrareta Bhavah Kalo Vamadevo Drutavrataha. Lord Brahma said, My dear boy Rudra, you have 11 other names: Manyu, Manu, Mahinasa, Mahan, Shiva, Ritvaja, Ugrareta, Bhava, Kala, Vamadeva, and Drutavrata. Dirdrutirasalomacha Niyutsarpirilambhika Iravati Swadha Dhiksha Rudranyo Rudrate Sriyaha. O Rudra, you also have 11 wives called the Rudranis, and they are as follows: Dhi, Dhruti, Rasala, Uma, Niyut, Sarpi, Ila, Ambika, Iravati, Swada, and Diksha. Grihanaitani namani sthanani cha sayoshanaha ye visruja praja bahvihi prajanamasi yatpatihi. My dear boy, you may now accept all the names and places designated for you and your different wives, and since you are now one of the masters of the living entities, you may increase the population on a large scale. Ityadishta swaguruna bhavan nilalohitaha sattva-krutisvabhavena sasarjatma samah prajaha. The most powerful Rudra, whose bodily color was blue mixed with red, created many offsprings exactly resembling him in features, strength, and furious nature. Rudranam Rudrasrushtanam Samantagrasatam Jagat Nishamya Sankhyaso Yutan Prajapatirashankataha. The sons and grandsons generated by Rudra were unlimited in number, and when they assembled together, they attempted to devour the entire universe. When Brahma, the father of the living entities, saw this, he became afraid of the situation. Alam prajabhih srishtabhir riddashibhih surottama alam prajabhih srishtabhir idribhih surottama maya saha dahantibhir birulbanaihi. Brahma told Rudra, "O best among the demigods, there is no need for you to generate living entities of this nature. They have begun to devastate everything on all sides with fiery flames from their eyes and have even attacked me. Tapa atishta bhadram te sarvabhuta sukavaham tapasaiva yata purvam srashta vishwamidam bhavan." My dear son, you had better situate yourself in penance, which is auspicious for all living entities, and which will bring all benedictions upon you. By penance only shall you be able to create the universe as it was before. Tapasaiva param jyotir bhagavantamadhokshajam sarvabhuta guhavasam anjasa vindate puman. By penance only can one even approach the personality of Godhead, who is within the heart of every living entity and at the same time beyond the reach of all senses. Maitreya uvacha evam atma bhuvadishtaha parikramya giram patim bhadamityamuma mantriya vivesha tapasevanam. Sri Maitreya said, "Thus Rudra, having been ordered by Brahma, circumambulated his father, the master of the Vedas. Addressing him with words of assent, he entered the forest to perform austere penances. Atabhidyayatas sargam dashaputrah prajagnire bhagavachakti yuktasya lokasantana hetavaha." Brahma, who was empowered by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, thought of generating living entities and begot 10 sons for the extension of the generations. Marichiratriyangirasau pulastyah pulahah kratuhu Bhrugurvasishto dakshascha dashamastatra naradaha. Marichi, Atri, Angira, Pulastya, Pulaha, Kratau, Bhrugu, Vasishta, Daksha, and the 10th son Narada was thus born. Utsangan narado jagne dakshongushta swayam bhuvaha pranadvasishtas sanjato bhrugustvachikarat kratuhu. Narada was born from the deliberation of Brahma, which is the best part of his body. Vasishta was born from his breathing, Daksha from a thumb, Bhrugu from his touch, and Kritau from his hand. Pulaho nabito jagne Pulastyah karnayon rishihi Angira mukatokshnotra marichir manasos bhavat. Pulastya was generated from the ears, Angira from the mouth, Atri from the eyes, Marichi from the mind, and Pulaha from the navel of Brahma. Dharmastanadhrikshinato यत्र नारायणः स्वयं अधर्मः पृष्ठतो यस्मान् मृत्युर्लोकभयङ्करः. Religion was manifested from the breast of Brahma, wherein is seated the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, and irreligion appeared from his back, where horrible death takes place for the living entity. Hrudi kamo bhruvah krodo lobhashchadhara dacchadat आस्याद्वाक् सिन्धवो मेध्रान् निर्वृतिः पायोरधाक्षयः. Lust and desire became manifested from the heart of Brahma, anger from between his eyebrows, greed from between his lips, the power of speaking from his mouth, the ocean from his penis, and low and abominable activities from his anus, the source of all sins. Chayayah kardamo jagnye devahutyah patih prabhuhu manaso dehataschedam jagnye vishwakruto jagat. Sage Kardama, husband of the great Devahuti, was manifested from the shadow of Brahma. Thus all became manifested from either the body or the mind of Brahma. Vacham duhitaram tanvim swayambhurharitim manaha akamam chakame kshaktaha sakama iti nashrutam. O Vidura, we had heard that Brahma had a daughter named Vak, who was born from his body and who attached his mind towards sex, although she was not sexually inclined towards him. Tamadharme krutamatim विलोक्य पितरं सुताः मरीचिमुख्या मुनयो विश्रम्भात् प्रत्यबोधयन्. Thus finding their father so deluded in the act of immorality, the sages headed by Marichi, all sons of Brahma, spoke as follows with great respect. Naitat पूर्वैः कृतं त्वद्ध्ये न करिष्यन्ति चापरे यस्त्वं दुहितरं गच्छेरनिगृह्याङ्गजं प्रभुः. O Father, this performance in which you are endeavoring to complicate yourself was never attempted by any other Brahmana, nor by anyone else, nor by you in previous kalpas, nor will anyone dare to attempt it in the future. You are the supreme being in the universe. So how is it that you want to have sex with your daughter and cannot control your desire? Teji yasamapihyetan nasukshlokyam jagadguro yadvruttamανutishtan vai lokah lokah kalpate. Even though you are the most powerful being, this act does not suit you because your character is followed for spiritual improvement by people in general. Tasmai namo bhagavate ya idam svena rocisha atmastam vyanjayamasa sadharmam patumarhati. Let us offer our respectful obeisances unto the personality of Godhead, who, by his own effulgence, while situated in himself, has manifested this cosmos. May he also protect religion for all goodness. Sa ittam grunatah putran puro društva prajapatin prajapati पतिस्तन्वं तत्याज व्रीडितस्तदा तां दिशो जुगृहुर्घोरां निहारं यद्विदुस्तमः. The father of all Prajapatis, Brahma, thus seeing all his Prajapati sons speaking in that way, became very much ashamed and at once gave up the body he had accepted. Later that body appeared in all directions as the dangerous fog in darkness. Kadachidhyayatah srushturved asamschaturbhujaturmukhan katam srakshyamyaham lokan samavetan yatah pura. Once upon a time, when Brahma was thinking of how to create the worlds, as in the past millennium, the four Vedas, which contained all varieties of knowledge, became manifested from his four mouths. Chaturhotram karmatantram upavedanayaih saha dharmasya padashchatvaras tatyaivashrama vrittayaha. The four kinds of paraphernalia for conducting fire sacrifices became manifest: the performer, the chanter, the offerer, the fire, and the action performed in terms of supplementary Vedas. Also, the four principles of religiosity: truth, austerity, mercy, and cleanliness, and the duties in the four social orders all became manifest. Vidura uvacha savai vishwasrujamisho vedadin mukato srujat yadyadyena srujat devas tanme bruhita podhana. Vidura said, O great sage, whose only wealth is penance, kindly explain to me how and with whose help Brahma established the Vedic knowledge which emanated from his mouth. Maitreya uvacha ऋग्यजुस्सामतर्वाक्यान् वेदान् पूर्वादिभिर्मुखैः शास्त्रमिज्यां स्तुतिस्तोमं प्रायश्चित्तं व्यधात् क्रमात्. Maitreya said, beginning from the front face of Brahma, gradually the four Vedas, Rig, Yajur, Sama, and Atharva, became manifest. Thereafter, Vedic hymns, which had not been pronounced before, priestly rituals, the subject matters of recitation, and transcendental activities were all established one after another. Ayurvedam Dhanurvedam Gandharvam Vedamatmanah Stapatyam Chasrujadvedam Kramat Purvadibhirmukaihi. He also created the medical science, military art, musical art, the architectural science, all from the Vedas. They all emanated one after another, beginning from the front face. Itihasa Puranani Panchamam Vedamishwaraha Sarvebhya eva Vaktrebhyaha Sasruje Sarvadarshanaha. Then he created the fifth Veda, the Puranas and the histories, from all his mouths, since he could see all the past, present, and future. Shodashyuktyayu Purvavaktrat Purishyagnir Prutavata Aptoryamatiratraucha Vajapeyam Sagosavam. All the different varieties of fire sacrifices, Shodashi, Utka, Purushi, Agnishtoma, Aptoryama, Atirata, Vajapeya, and Gosava became manifest from the eastern mouth of Brahma. Vidyadanam tapas satyam dharmasyeti padani cha आश्रमांश्च यथा संख्यम् असृजत् सह वृत्तिभिः. Education, charity, penance, and truth are said to be the four legs of religion, and to learn this, there are four orders of life with different classifications of castes according to vocation. Brahma created all these in systematic order. Savitram Prajapatyam Savitram Prajapatyam cha Brahmyam Chat Ruhattata Varta Sanchaya Shalina Shilocha iti Vaigruhe Shiloncha iti Vaigruhe. Then the thread ceremony for the twice born was inaugurated, as were the rules to be performed for at least 1 year after acceptance of the Vedas, rules for observing complete abstinence from sex life, vocations in terms of Vedic injunctions, various professional duties in household life, and method of maintaining a livelihood without anyone's cooperation by picking up rejected grains. Vaikanasa Valakilyau Dumbhara Pena Pavane Nyase Kutichaka Purvam Bahvodo Hamsa Nishkriyau. The four divisions of the retired life are the Vaikanasas, Valakyas, Audambaras, and Penapas. The four divisions of the renounced order of the life are the Kutikas, Bahvodas, Hamsas, and Nishkriyas. All these were manifest from Brahma. Anvikshiki trayi varta dandanitistataiva cha evam vyahrutayaschaasan pranavo hasya dahrataha. The signs of logical argument, the Vedic goals of life, and also law and order, moral codes, and the created hymns, Bhuh, Bhuvah, and Swaha, all became manifest from the mouth of Brahma, and the Pranava Omkara was manifested from his heart. Tasyoshni Gasilo Mabhyo Gayatri Chatvacho Vibhoho Sishtum Mam Satsnuto Nushtub Jagatyastha Prajapatehe. Thereafter, the art of literary expressions, Ushnik, was generated from the hairs on the body of the Almighty Prajapati. The principal Vedic hymn, Gayatri, was generated from the skin, Trishtup from the flesh, Anushtup from the veins, and Jagati from the bones of the Lord of living entities. Manjaya Panktirutpanna Bruhati Pranato Bhavat. The art of writing verses, Pankti, became manifest from the bone marrow, and that of Bruhati, another type of verse, was generated from the life breath of the Lord of living entities. Sparshastasya bhavajjivaha swaro deha udahruta ushmanamindriyan yahur antasta balamatmanaha swara sapta viharena bhavanti sma prajapatehe. Brahma's soul was manifested as the touch alphabets, his body as the vowels, his senses as the sibilant alphabets, his strength as the intermediate alphabets, and his sensual activities as the 7 notes of music. Shabda brahmatmanastasya vyaktatmanah paraha brahma vabhati vitato nana ityupabhrumhitah. Brahma is the personal representation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead as the source of transcendental sound and is therefore above conception of manifested and unmanifested. Brahma is the complete form of absolute truth and is invested with multifarious energies. Tato paramupadaya sasargaya manodhade. Thereafter, Brahma accepted another body in which sex life was not forbidden, and thus he engaged himself in the matter of further creation. Rishinam bhuri viryanam api sargama ज्ञात्वा सद्धृतये भूयश चिन्तयामास कौरवा. O son of Kurus, when Brahma saw that in spite of presence of sages of great potency, there was no sufficient increase in population, he seriously began to consider how the population could be increased. Aho adbhutame tanme vyavrutasyapi nityadha nahyedante prajanunam daivamatra vighatakam. Brahma thought to himself, alas, it is wonderful that in spite of my being scattered all over, there is still insufficient population throughout the universe. There is no other cause for this misfortune but destiny. Yevam yukta krutastasya daivan chavekshatastada kasya rupa mabhudvedha yatkayamabhichakshate. While he was thus absorbed in contemplation and was observing the supernatural power, two other forms were generated from his body. They are still celebrated as the body of Brahma. Tabhyam rupa vibhagabhyam mitunam samapadhyata. The two newly separated bodies united together in a sexual relationship. Yastu tatra puman sobhun manuswayam bhuvaswarat striya sichatarupakya mahishyasya mahatmanaha. Out of them, the one who had the male form became known as Manu, called Swayambhuva, and the woman became known as Satarupa, the queen of the great soul Manu. Tada mituna dharmena prajahyedhamba bhuvire. Thereafter, by sex indulgence, they gradually increased generations of populations one after another. Sachapi shatarupayam panchapatyan yajijanat priyavrato tanapado tisrah kanyascha bharata akutirdevahutischa prasutiriti sattama. O son of Bharata, in due course of time, he, Manu, begot in Satarupa 5 children, 2 sons, Priyavrata and Uttanapada, and 3 daughters, Akuti, Devahuti, and Prasuti. Akutim ruchaye pradat kardamayatu madhyamam dakshayadat prasutim cha yata apuritam jagat. The father, Manu, handed over his first daughter, Akuti, to the sage Ruchi, the middle daughter, Devahuti, to sage Kardama, and the youngest, Prasuti, to Daksha. From them, all the world filled with population. Thus ends the chapter entitled Creation of Kumaras and Others. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।